Hello. In this video, you will learn how to create a GALA user account. You'll start by selecting the login button at the top of the screen and then select create new account. From here, you will enter your account information, including your first name, any preferred nicknames, your email and password, and agree to our privacy policy. Once you select the button to create a new account, you will receive a confirmation screen and a notification that an email will be sent with the activation link. Next, you will receive your activation email. Look for the subject line, activate your GALA account, and select the activate my account link within the email. So you'll need to complete the following information. This will include your biography, which is including on any GALA articles that you might publish with us. So be sure to tell us a bit about yourself and include a profile image and respond to the following questions. The job role field helps GALA staff know who our members are. This information is used to create our content, and the where you are located allows us to invite you to local events in your area. So for this field, be sure to put in where you are physically located. You do not have to provide us with a full street address, but city and country will be enough to ensure that you are included in any local event. Once you complete your profile, be sure to hit save at the bottom to confirm your activation. In this instance, I joined an organization, a GALA member. So here you can see some of the welcome materials that are available to you as a new member. I welcome you to get started.